Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making this yummy beans cake, aka koki. In Cameroon we will call it koki, Nigerians will call it moimoi. Both take the same ingredients and a similar process to make. To all my returning subscribers, thank you for the love and support. If you are new around here, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so that you will be reminded first whenever I upload new videos. Thank you. Okay guys, let's jump right into the cooking. These are the ingredients we need. We need some beans, we need salt, Maggi, we need palm oil and some pepper. Those are habanero pepper. We need spinach. I'm using spinach in place of cocoyam leaves, which is what we use back home. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just gonna blend the beans. I didn't film when I was washing the beans, but what I did was I washed the beans and I soaked it overnight and make it soft. When I'm done blending, I'm going to pour the paste in a bowl and I'm going to use my hand mixer to mix it. Thanks to technology. Back home, back in the village, we will use a mortar and a pestle to do all the mixing. Comment down below if you ever had the opportunity to use a mortar and a pestle to mix either koki or koki beans or koki corn, or you know what we do with mortar and pestle back in Africa. So as you can see there, I just added the salt and the Maggi and I'm going to go ahead and mix again. And I'm going to make sure that the salt and Maggi incorporate well with the beans paste. Before adding the oil, make it warm a little bit before adding it. I warmed mine in the microwave for about 1 minute before I added it. Mix the paste and the oil very well. You can continue mixing with the mixer or you use your spatula like you see me doing here. When I'm done mixing, I'm going to taste the seasoning and make sure it tastes right. And then I'm going to go ahead and add my vegetables, guys. I'm using spinach here, like I said, in a place of cocoyam leaves. When we're done mixing, it's time to wrap our koki. And place a deep bowl on a flat surface. Then I'm going to put my foil wrap. Again, we're using foil wrap in place of plantain leaves. I like to line my foil wrap with plastic wraps. That makes it easier for you to take off the koki after cooking. if you're still watching this video to this stage, I hope you learned something from it. Why don't you go ahead and like, comment and subscribe for more videos like this. For the cooking process, I advise you line the pot with foil wraps like you see there. This is so that if the pot gets burned underneath, your koki wouldn't burn, since we add water a little bit at a time. I only add about 2 cups of water at a time. And I cook. Please guys, only add hot water, not cold water. My koki cooked on a medium-high heat for about 25 minutes. I'm touching it there. It seems it's ready. I'm gonna take one and see how it looks inside. This is still hot, guys. You're gonna see how smoothly it comes off of the plastic wrap. See that, guys? Oh my god, guys, don't you just love that? I'm hungry. And guys, I just boiled some ripe plantains. That is what we're gonna be having it with. I hope you try this, and if it comes out good for you, please comment right below and let us know. Don't forget to comment, like and share the video, and if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell. Thank you. I hope I see you in my next video, which will be coming up next week.